Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's episode we are in Japan, and more specifically in the Tokyo region of Sumida, which is a special ward of the Tokyo metropolis. And the reason that we're here today is because we're going to be visiting the Tokyo Skytree. But on the way to the Tokyo Skytree, well, I thought that I would maybe look a little bit around because, well, Tokyo has so many nice little places and nice little streets, so I'm always eager to discover what Tokyo is hiding. So without any further ado, let's explore. Sumida, located in the northeastern part of Tokyo, is renowned for its landmarks and cultural significance. Founded in 1947, it is home to the iconic Tokyo Skytree, which offers panoramic city views. The Sumida and Arakawa rivers form part of its boundaries, creating riverside sceneries that provide tranquil spaces. Its lively neighborhoods feature local shops and authentic eateries. Famous for the Sumida River Firework Festival, the area embodies a dynamic mix of culture, history, and urban energy. Walking through the side streets of this area, well, what did I stumble upon? Sumida Park, which is a really beautiful park. And it's a sort of narrow park that goes all the way to the Tokyo Skytree. And the best way to find yourself going in the right direction is to look up to the sky, because you see really beautiful views of the tower from this park. And it's really nice because it lunges also the Sumida River, which pretty much goes throughout the whole park. So you get to hear the nice rustling water. There's a bunch of little playgrounds for kids. There's also a couple of little bridges too. So it's really nice, and kind of again shows how much the Japanese people are close to nature, because there's so many of these little hidden pearls of parks in Tokyo. And you really see that after having all these crazy days in the bustling cities, well, they do need to relax, and going to the Skytree this way seems like the perfect plan. Sumida Park Sasaya, nestled along the Sumida River in Tokyo, offers a tranquil retreat renowned for its seasonal cherry blossoms and breathtaking views of Tokyo Skytree. Featuring lush greenery, playgrounds, and numerous benches, the park provides an ideal urban escape for relaxation and recreation. Established during the Edo period, it historically served as a hub for river festivals and leisure. Its peaceful pathways are complemented by modern buildings, reflecting the harmonious blend of suburban lifestyle and natural beauty. Once you find yourself at the base of the Tokyo Skytree, well, there is also the Salamachi Mall, which is an outdoor-indoor mall, which has quite a few restaurants, but they also have a bunch of stores that are really geared towards maybe tourists, so a lot of tourist souvenirs. And now that I am here during the Christmas time, well, they also have a sort of Christmas area outdoors with a bunch of places where you can eat, and there's also a huge Christmas tree. So it's really pleasant to see all of this. But well, if you also want to get some regular food, they do have quite a few regular restaurants and a Kirby themed cafe. And me being a really big fan of Nintendo, I was really pleased to see this. And inside they also have a Pokemon store. So yeah, when you are here visiting the Tokyo Skytree, don't think it's going to be a really quick visit if you want to see everything, because going to the mall, going to the Skytree, and then also maybe going to the Sumida Aquarium that is located right here might take a little while. So really there are quite a few things to do in this area. Tokyo Skytree's Salamachi Mall is a lively shopping destination at a tower's base. Offering over 300 stores, though compact compared to Tokyo's massive malls, it features curated shops with local goods, unique souvenirs, and specialty items. I finally made it on top of the Skytree, and it is kind of a disappointing view today, unfortunately, because there is a lot of fog. So yeah, you can't see as far as you should be able to see. When you get right here, actually you have two different floors. There's the 350 meter floor, and there's also the 450 meter floor. Even though the tower is 623 meters tall, you're not able to go all the way up. But even though there's a lot of fog, I'm happy to kind of be here, because it's still nice to see Tokyo, how vast it is, to see the juxtaposition between the modern buildings and the old buildings, and the river that's kind of going through the city. And yeah, it's just a magical place. No matter what, fog or not, I'm still happy. Tokyo Skytree offers breathtaking panoramic views from its observatories, showcasing the sprawling cityscape, and on clear days the majestic Mount Fuji. Visitors ascend via elegantly decorated elevators, adding to the immersive experience. The lobby features a 360-degree glass enclosure and numerous photo opportunities, allowing guests to capture memorable moments while enjoying uninterrupted views from any spot on the panoramic decks. The Skytree shop offers a thoughtfully created selection of exclusive merchandise, including Skytree-themed gifts and locally crafted items, providing the perfect keepsake to commemorate your visits. Being in the area of Tokyo Skytree, well, it would be kind of silly not to do a 20-minute walk so that you can get to Asakusa Shrine, which is the most touristic and popular shrine right here in Tokyo. And well, I understand why it is so popular, because it's huge, it's big, there's so many things to do right here. People come and pray, people come and just be tourists, and there's also side streets that have a lot of food too. But what I do like to see right here is the people getting their mikuji, which is their fortune. So this is a really cool Japanese tradition where you kind of choose a piece of paper, and it gives you a good fortune, medium fortune, a bad fortune. There's different levels of fortune, but if your fortune is bad, don't worry, because you can always tie up that piece of paper and it's gonna go away. But yeah, it is touristic, but still super beautiful, and it is a real Shinto temple that has existed for centuries, so it's truly kind of like a thing to do if you're in Tokyo. Asakusa Shrine, located near the iconic Sensoji Temple, is a place of reverence where visitors can be seen praying and offering incense. The massive temple complex, with its striking architecture and intricate details, draws both locals and tourists. Adjacent to the shrine, Nakamisa Street is a bustling commercial hub lined with shops selling traditional souvenirs and snacks, catering primarily to tourists. At night, the area becomes even more magical, with the temple and surrounding buildings beautifully illuminated, creating a serene atmosphere. Asakusa Shrine truly is magnificent, but there are so many people, and I'm exhausted. I've been walking all day, and yeah, I think this is it pretty much for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed coming on this visit of the Tokyo Skytree, Asakusa, looking at a small little quaint park. And yeah, if you did enjoy it, please be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment too. Let me know if there's other things that I should do in Tokyo or Japan, and I may make that happen. Okay, well, that's it. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.